Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you how to stop talkback on Realme phone. Friends, you want to stop talkback on your Realme phones, how to stop talkback in this video friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, on your Realme phone you have enabled your talkback, and guys now you want to stop. So how to stop, let's see. Friends, you can see one finger we cannot scroll our key, and guys your phone is screen is off. So how to unlock phone? By one finger you cannot unlock your phone. Use your two finger to unlock your phone guys, and guys swipe with two fingers, and friends click on your phone setting icon, one tap here, and guys continue to tap to stop talkback. Double tap here. Friends, again use your two finger and guys scroll it. Don't use one finger because we cannot scroll. So additional setting is here, one tap on additional setting, and once again double tap. Friends, click on your accessibility and friends double tap here. As you can see, accessibility setting will on. So first is talkback, one tap on talkback, and friends continue to tap. Friends, you can see talkback setting, double tap here, stop button. Friends, you want to stop talkback on your Realme phone, so when you can stop from here, okay, double tap here and talkback will stop. So friends, talkback will stop, and guys now we can use our phone with one finger without any talkback. So like the way you can stop talkback on your Realme phone device. So I hope friends you understood how to stop talkback. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video, and before going guys, please go and like the video and subscribe the channel.